for Tibet's freedom. Your heart stood strong, you carried the dream through the years so long, like a flame still burning in our hearts today. The name Lobga Rangzen will never fade away. You gave your strength for the land you loved, holding hope beneath the skies above. Though time moves on and seasons change, your courage remains and your spirit remains.
Thinking of our homeland, Tibet, so dear, we send our prayers from the depths sincere. With blood and life, your offering was made. May freedom's sun rise bright and never fade.
Lobga Rangzen, you are a hero, true, a precious jewel in the hearts of Tibetans too. Your name resounds like a victorious song, forever in our hearts where you belong. Lobga Rangzen, you are a hero, true, a burning flame of freedom, shining through with the courage of a Tibetan sun. Your example lives on for everyone.
Yeah. Listen up, hear the cry of Tibet, a voice for freedom we will never forget. From the mountains so high to the valleys below, the spirit of Tibet will forever grow. Lobga Rangzen gave everything he had for the land he loved. Through the pain and the sad, he stood with courage when the road was long, teaching the people to remain strong. His dream was bigger than one single life, a vision of freedom beyond the struggle and strife. His name still echoes in every generation, a symbol of hope and determination. Raise your hands, let the world all see, the dream of Tibet will always be free. One people, one hope, one future bright, keeping the flame of freedom alight.
The snow mountains still carry our song, a culture and language that have lived so long. The prayers of our elders still rise in the air, a reminder of who we are and what we share.
Through every challenge and changing day, the spirit of Tibet still finds its way, holding our heritage deep in our hearts, knowing our future and past are not apart. Yeah, new law comes and the world takes note. People are talking from coast to coast. Questions arise about culture and voice, about language, identity, and the people's choice. From classrooms and villages, cities and towns, many wonder how traditions are passed down. The songs of our ancestors, the words that we speak, the strength of a culture that generations keep. Yeah, we stand together with respect and pride, keeping our heritage alive inside. Through peaceful voices and unity strong, protecting the roots that carried us along. One people, one culture, one story to tell. Through every challenge we know ourselves well. Whatever tomorrow may bring to the way, the spirit of Tibet will never fade away.
With all our hearts for Tibet we pray. May freedom's sun rise one bright day.
Lobga Rangzen, you are a hero, true, a precious jewel in the hearts of Tibetans too. As long as freedom's flame is burning bright, you live forever in our hearts and minds. Lobga Rangzen, your memory shines across the mountains and through all times with faith, with courage, with hope in sight.
We'll carry the dream